What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. The day you've been waiting for is finally here. The Odyssey team have announced their jailbreak for iOS 15.0 to 15.1. So just a couple of hours ago, the Odyssey team posted this. Cheyote or Cheyote, no idea how we pronounce that, coming soon. And this is going to be the jailbreak for iOS 15.0 to 15.1.1. Yes, it looks like Taurine because this is basically Taurine but for iOS 15. It's probably built on somehow similar base. So yes, this is why it looks like Taurine. But yes, this is a brand new jailbreak that they are developing, and since they are finally announcing it and they gave it a name and everything, it means that they are very close to the release date, because the Odyssey team usually does not make any announcements about an upcoming jailbreak and do not say coming soon unless it really is coming soon. Over the past few months they said that they are progressing, they said what they're doing, what they're going to use, what problems they had, but they never announced a jailbreak with screenshots and everything like they did now, so they must be really close. Now, some important information about this jailbreak. This jailbreak will support all devices, including the A12 and newer, on iOS 15.0 to 15.1.1. So iOS 15.2 will not be supported. At the same time, compared to the Taurine jailbreak, this jailbreak will be rootless. Now, this may not be affecting you as a user. The tweaks will be updated so that they work with a rootless jailbreak, but this jailbreak will not make the system partition as read and write, so the tweaks will be installed in the var partition. That's a technicality that you probably don't even care about because it doesn't really affect you in any way as long as the tweaks get updated, but tweaks will need to be updated in order to be supported. At the same time, this will come with Sileo. You will have the option to install Zebra if you want to, it's supported, but it will not support Cydia, at least not officially. So Sileo, which is quite modern and quite great, or Zebra, which is also modern and great. The Cydia itself, to be honest, is already outdated, so you are probably better off with Sileo. Whatever Cydia does, Sileo can do twice as good. So the versions supported, as I said, are iOS 15.1.1 and lower. So basically everything in here, in this range, will be supported on all devices. So yes, finally we have an iOS 15 jailbreak coming soon. And we know for sure that it's coming soon because these people at the Taurine/Odyssey team, they know what they're doing. They are definitely going to release it, so I'm very excited to see what's next. Thank you for watching. I will keep you updated once the Cheyote jailbreak gets released. But yeah, thank you for watching. I am Geosnow. Peace out.